Mabuhay! I'm Peter G from Just Scale. I'm gonna unbox the Boom Racing BRX01. There's so many things to like about the BRX01, but here's my top 3. Number 1, the Boom Racing chassis. It has a unique design, allowing for steering clearance, multiple adjustments for flexibility. Number 2, the BRX70 axles. I love the steering angles on these axles. You can reach 60 degrees without modifying them. Number 3 are the transmission sets. This tracer case eliminates torque twist. Those are my top 3 favorites. Thanks for liking my FB page and subscribing to our channel.